Hi. I was finished filming 2 reactions. I woke up. I didn't even wash my face. I just put makeup straight onto my face because I wanted to record 2 reaction videos, and also I wanted to try this because today I'm getting my I'm getting laser and I'm not gonna be able to do anything on my face for like a week, so I figured I would test this before. I look like a lesbian right now, but I put a liquid lipstick on because I really want to test. This is the face halo, and this is not new. It came out several months ago, but it just came to Korea at the new Olive Young. I'm not sure if other Olive Youngs have it, but they have it at the Olive Young, the flagship one in Gangnam, the 3-story one, and it's the modern makeup remover. Basically, it's a little microfiber thing. Hold on, there's 3 in here. Let me open it. Oh, shit. There's 3 in here, and it was about 26,000 won, I think. I think it's like 22, 23 US dollars. Woo! They have this picture up there of Chloe Morello, that Australian beauty YouTuber. She works there now, so you get 3. These microfiber cloths that with just water can remove all your makeup. And you guys know from me, I need to use my cleansing oil, cleansing balm to remove my makeup prior to cleansing my face with my cleansing lotion, cleansing foam, cleansing whatever. So the thought of it kind of grossed me out to think that there might be some makeup left still on the skin. But apparently this shit really works because she demonstrated on her channel. So you can watch that too if you want. It says that it works with either cold or warm water, and it loosens up your makeup, allowing the Halotech fiber strands, which are 100 times finer than human hair, to reach deep into your pores to remove and try makeup. So she also tested it like on orange that with like the pores in it. She pushed some foundation across the surface of the orange, and the halo, the face halo, was even able to get the dirt and makeup out of the pores of the orange. So I think that's what really sold me. So I'm gonna test this on one side of my face, and then I'm also gonna grab a cleansing water or something to wipe over to see if there's any residue left. So hold on, let me go get that. I just got some water in this bowl, and it's kind of stiff. I was a little worried about the edge being like the sharp kind of thing, but it's all made out of satin or silk, I think, so that all the edges are really soft, so when you're around your eyes you should be fine. But I'm just gonna dip this in the water. Oh shit, I think I have more makeup on this side because I did use color corrector under my foundation here, but this doesn't have any. So let me... Did I forget the fucking mirror over there? Is that better? Hopefully the light is a little bit more even on this side. So here we go. So it's obviously taking off the makeup, and it's definitely soft. I don't feel like it's scratchy in any way. Wow. I probably would prefer this with warm water though. I feel like it would help lift the makeup a little bit faster. It's kind of hard getting only half your lipstick off. All right, that was actually pretty quick. I feel like if I wasn't trying to be all slow for the camera, I could have done that a little bit quicker. But it's really soft, and I feel like one side is enough for one side of my face. I mean, I do have microfiber cloths in my closet, but the little fibers of this are definitely a lot longer than those. Those are a little bit shorter. Don't know if that makes a huge difference, but it makes the experience a lot more soft and gentle on the skin. Because my number one thing was just imagining how rough it would feel, but surprisingly, it's not that bad. No need to rubber scrub. Right? You may be surprised at how much makeup comes off on your face halo. This is because the Halotech fibers hold onto it to ensure nothing goes back onto your face. Oh, that's good. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate your face halo with water and hold it onto your eyes or eyelashes for an extra 5 to 10 seconds. It just helps. Oh, I see. So I didn't have mascara on today, but I feel like if you could take off a liquid lipstick with just water, I'm sure it can take off mascara. Maybe I should test that. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hello. So I'm back. I put on some of this mascara. If any of you are familiar with the Heroin Volume and Curl Bitch, you know this shit does not come off even with like eye remover. You have to like really make sure you like soak your eyelashes in the eye makeup remover. And then I figured the last lip color I had wasn't very like telling of the effects of this product, so I put on a more... Basically, I put poop on my lips, it's brown. Let me re-dip this shit. I'm gonna use the other side and we'll see if it's still as effective. I mean, on this side, it pretty much got everything off. I still have to do the little test with the what is it, toner, I guess, or like eye makeup remover over here to see if it like got everything off. First, let me take off my foundation. Okay, I took the foundation off like quickly. I'm gonna do my lips. Bitch, look at that. It's like all gone already. Holy shit. Oh, that's what I wanted. Wow. Alright, so I kind of just wiped off my eyeshadow. And now, let me dip it back into the water, because you can see clearly I still have the mascara on. Re-wet it, and then you hold it on there, I guess? What the fuck? First of all, it is a waterproof mascara, so if this doesn't work for waterproof mascara, I'm not gonna be surprised. That kind of just like fucked my lashes up. I mean, you didn't pull it out or anything, but it didn't really do anything. Right, let me try one more time. Nope, nope, doesn't work on false lashes, doesn't work on waterproof mascara. Not surprised though, you know, with everything else removed though, let me do one more swipe to make sure. Now I'm gonna take an actual eye makeup remover. Actually, before I remove this, let me swipe over the rest of it with this right here to see if there's anything left on the skin. Okay, so you're seeing this all live. I'm not doing anything extra to try and cheat it. All right, so there is still a little bit. However, I think it might be because I had some foundation on my neck, but I didn't actually go over that with the face halo, so that might be my problem. I think for the most part, that's pretty impressive. Let me remove my mascara first, because this is really like bothering me. This is just the Misha Perfect Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. I just got it when I was shopping there. They gave it to me as like service. Oh my god, this shit does not come off. I feel like the face halo might work if you have like a regular mascara that isn't, because this is a Japanese mascara. They do not fuck around with the mascaras. And I did put like 3 layers on because I really wanted to test it. Probably not a good idea, but I mean, if it's gonna make those claims, you might as well test it, right? Well, I don't know. If you're the type that wears mascara like that, don't know how I feel about it, because I do feel like I end up rubbing my eyes with this, and even though it's super soft and it's really plush, I still don't feel comfortable with the idea of like rubbing my eyes a lot with it. It would be different if I just like set it onto my eye and like I was able to remove everything by just wiping once, but it became one of like these situations. So but for the rest of my face, I'm like really impressed by this, and I have to say I might actually consider, when I run out of my cleansing oil, I might consider using these, because after you finish using it, all you have to do is wash it with a bar of soap and water. Hold on, let me do that right now. Now, I ran it under some warm water with a bar of just regular soap, and it did take off pretty, like most of it. There's still a little bit of residue left, but what you can do is, it does come with 3, so I think you're pretty good for the week, and every 1 or 2 weeks, all you have to do is just throw it into the wash with your light or white colors, and that's it. And they recommend that you replace it every 200 wash cycles. So this is gonna last you a while. For like $23 to $25, it's gonna last you a while. Do not wash face halo with fabric softener. It may coat the fibers and reduce their effectiveness. Oh, okay, I see. So don't use fabric softener with this. But with that being said, I'm actually really impressed. And if you have extremely sensitive skin, and I'm talking about like sensitive in the sense that if you rub your skin, you get like boils and bumps, then I would completely avoid this. If your skin gets a little bit red when you touch it, that's completely normal. My skin does that. That's just like the blood rushing to the surface. But it's definitely better than face wipes. So if you're a face wipe type of person, I definitely recommend these, and it definitely saves on like, in terms of like environment, definitely saves on a lot of like trash because you're using all those face wipes. This is really, what's the word? Economic. And it's perfect for just having next to you in the shower, because you just, you know, wet it and you run it under the shower and you just wipe your makeup off. And I have to say my face feels, I still have to do my second cleanse, but my face feels really clean. Like I don't feel like there's any makeup left on my skin at all. But I have to say this gets an A+ for me. It just depends on your preferences. If you're more of like a skincare type of person that really enjoys their cleansing lotions and cleansing balms, you can pass this. But you know, if something like this appeals to you, I definitely recommend checking it out. Update. I don't use it that much, to be honest, because I felt like it was okay on my face, but I really don't feel comfortable using it around my eyes, and it doesn't really get everything off. When I'm using a cleansing oil, I'm able to use my fingers to like really get around my eyes and around my lashes, because my lashes are self-backing long. No, my lashes are pretty long, so it's hard. Like with that face halo, it doesn't get the makeup around, like around the bottom of the lashes and around here, and mascara just doesn't really do anything for it, really. Even with other mascaras, I tried it with other mascaras that are not as harsh, and it's still, I don't know, I don't really like it for that. For the face, it's okay. Again, it's okay for the face, but the only time I ever really use it is if I'm like bored at night and I want to like put eye makeup on for some reason, then I can easily just like wipe it off with just water and the face halo, or if on my lips. But for like, if I was wearing makeup all day and I need to remove it, I just use my cleansing oil. If you're in Korea, I know they have it at the Gangnam Olive, so you can go check it out and buy it there. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.